Hi everyone, welcome back to anyone, and today we discuss about iCareFone. When you comes to your Google Play Store and once you search iCare, iCare phone, you need to just search this one. And before going forward, I request do subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and tricks. Okay, guys, see, exactly we learned what exactly this one app is. Its size is 21 MB and it have 1 million downloads. iCare helps manage and transfer iPhone data easily. For example, you can move photos, videos, contacts, and backups without using iTunes. The interface is simple and beginner friendly. The iCare phone app is perfect for users switching to iPhone. If you bought a new iPhone, then this one is perfect for you. Subscribe for smartphone solutions. Transfer data without stress. And I hope this short video is helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Goodbye.